Good morning, you guys. So I'm not gonna show my face because I'm actually sick right now. So if you guys hear me coughing, go ahead, ma'am. If you hear me coughing, sneezing, and stuff, that's why. So I'm at Kroger's about to go in here and get some stuff for the kids today. They wanted me to cook fish tacos. They love my fish tacos. You guys requested me to do more cooking videos, so that is what I'm going to be doing for you guys today. Thumbs up for more cooking videos. So this is how the Kroger's look. A lot of you guys say that this Kroger's reminds you of like a Publix. I'm not even sure if we have a Publix here in Texas. We might do, I don't know. And I have to get a few more items. So I'll just show you guys what it looks like. I'm sure you guys have seen a Kroger's before. And I only get my fish fresh from the deli. Oh, you know what, you guys? This is why I don't like to vlog, because there's always music in the background, which makes it copyrighted. I got some strawberries because I make smoothies and I love strawberries with them. I have to get some bananas and some peanut butter. I have some limes because you need limes for the fish tacos. And I have cilantro here, which you guys can see, or cilantro, however y'all say it. Then I have some green onions. So I have to go over here to find the coleslaw mix that I use. Is really easy, you guys. A lot of you guys was asking me on my Snapchat which one I get, and usually this is how it looks at the store if you guys want to see. So usually I get the Fiesta lime, which is this one right here, or I would get the mango sriracha. But I'm trying to see, is there any other one that I want to get today? But I think I'm gonna go with the Fiesta lime because I feel like that would be good for the fish tacos. Or I may go with the mango sriracha. I don't really know yet, you guys. I'm gonna think on it right quick, and then I'll let you guys know what I think of. This is where I get my meat from. I get my meat from the meat and fish department over here. And I just get catfish fillets right here. I'm trying to figure out, is this the woman that's supposed to be giving me this fish? Because she up here having a whole conversation with this bitch while I'm trying to get some fish. Oh, now she want to run a little past her ass over here. Can I get 4 pieces of catfish? 4 pieces? Yes. Now she want to work, y'all. I think it's kind of rude to see people waiting and you just standing there. Can you weigh that? Can you tell me how much is that? How much is that?
Those 3 right there is 0.94. So not quite now.
You can go ahead and give me one more.
That is 1.28.
That's fine.
Okay.
Yes. And then I get, this is the fish season that I use, you guys. So I get the Cajun right here, and I mix it with the New Orleans fish fry seasoning right here. And this is the section that I get it from, right here. So I got the catfish, and it was 4 pieces for $8.99. This is the best. I love my catfish fresh from the deli. It just tastes so much better than the frozen bags of fish. Still have to get some oil, but these are the taco shells that I get, and I always make sure that they're super soft. Hey loves, as you guys can see from the title, and my hands are wet right here because I just washed my hands. So I'm going to be cooking, as you guys can see, our fish tacos. They love fish tacos, y'all. Like, I cook these at least once a week. If you guys follow me on Snapchat, thumb this video up because y'all know I've been doing this on Snapchat for a while, and you guys are always asking me to do this particular video. So shout out to my Snapchat fam. Y'all know I fucks with y'all. So like I said in the previous clips, you guys were already seeing me go to the store and get everything that I needed. I did end up getting the Fiesta line because I called my husband. He liked this one better besides the mango sriracha, and girl, it was on sale for $149. Okay, so like I said, this is everything that I'm using. I have the two Louisiana fish seasonings. I have the Cajun crispy because you guys know we like ours a little spicy. And then this is just the original one. I do have diced jalapenos, garlic salt, minced garlic, lemon pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder because I'm going to be using that when I mix the ingredients up for the coleslaw. And this coleslaw is super easy. Everything you need is in here. I always go in here and switch some stuff up, you guys. In here is green cabbage, red cabbage, cilantro lime dressing, carrots, and cilantro lime seasoning. Little seeds. I don't know if you guys can see it through here, but I'll show you guys how I make it. I also add in my little stuff like here. And then I add in, of course, the garlic. I add in my red onion. And then I do have the soft shell tacos. I have the oil here, my Worcestershire. I also have the catfish here. I'm going to cut up, you guys will see. And I also have some cilantro that I have to rinse off. Some green onions. I actually got 2 of the green onion because this goes inside of the coleslaw and it also goes inside of the taco when you make it up or whatever. And then I also have some limes because girl, you cannot have tacos without some lime on top, and that's pretty much it. That's all I use. I don't put like any type of sauce or anything like that besides this and the lime. And also I did forget my jalapeno pepper. You guys, I always have my jalapeno pepper and I freaking forgot it because it also goes in the coleslaw, but thank God I do have this. So I'm gonna rinse the catfish off, which I'll go ahead and open it. But I'm sure you guys saw the lady who was at the store literally talking to her friend while I was sitting there, but you know, yeah. So I did get 4 pieces of fish, and I usually cut each one into 4s. But today I might cut them into 3s. I'll show you guys. And before someone comments about, oh my God, your nails are so long, they're gonna have bacteria in it. Girl, my nails are clean as fuck. Like if you've seen any of my videos for Christmas, any tour videos, my daughter room tour, our old room tour at our old house, I'm clean, okay? Sweetie, you don't have to eat this. My family is eating this. My hands are clean. I just wash my hands before, and I wash my hands as I'm cooking, okay? So if my hands look ashy, it's cool. I'm at home. Like, don't judge, to each his own. But my nails, unless I'm making meatloaf or something like that that's really smushy, that I have to get in like that, I'll put on gloves. Other than that, I'm clean. So there go your disclaimer. So here's the fish, and these are some nice sized catfish. I mean, you can use tilapia if you like tilapia. You can use whatever fish you like. We just prefer catfish. So like I said, I'm going to rinse the fish off. And how I cut the fish, of course the fish goes, you know, like, let me see, 1, 2, yeah. Today I'm going to do 3 strips because the tortillas are kind of, they're not small and they're not big. They're like a medium size. So I want to make sure that a whole piece of fish can fit like in the middle. So what I do is when the fish is about this size, I don't know if you guys can pretty much see what size it is. You can cut it diagonally like this. It'll be 1 piece, 2 piece. So this is 4 pieces. So this will be 12 pieces of catfish, okay? So I'm just gonna go ahead and rinse the fish off and season it and stuff like that, and I'll show you guys. So I just cleaned the fish off, And I'm gonna show you guys exactly how I cut it. I just cut it into 3 strips, like so. So it literally looks like this. This is how it will look. And we usually do 2 a piece. So I may do like 1, 2. It depends. Let's see. Three. Let me just do those 2 because, yeah, let me see, because I might have to double it up, and then I might just do like this. Yeah, I'm gonna do it like that because usually we only do 2 a piece. Usually it's 12, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's enough, you guys. So I'm about to wash my hands. When I season the fish, even though I'm using the Louisiana Cajun crispy fry and the original New Orleans fish fry, I put a little garlic salt. I just washed my hands, y'all. I just put a little garlic salt on top. So just a little bit on top like so. And just a little lemon pepper. Just on the top. And now I'm about to put it in the seasoning. I'm gonna put both of these in there. I use the same amount. So because it's not a lot of fish, usually I will use both bags. So what I'm gonna do is I'm not gonna cook a whole lot of fish. I'm gonna take half of this bag and half of this bag and mix it together. So we need to screenshot to get this. Go right ahead. There it is. Okay, so that's that. I'm going to go ahead and start frying the fish because it's quite a few pieces. And then I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how I make the coleslaw. So the fish is frying right now. So I'm going to go ahead and make the coleslaw so I can put it in the refrigerator. So it can stay cool because you want your coleslaw to be not too cold, but you still want it to be like cool. You don't want it to be room temperature because it'll get a little soggy. So I'm going to go ahead and run through this process with you guys. Now this came in the bag, the seeds. So I'm just going to go ahead and throw that in there. And you can just make it like it comes, you guys. I just like to add my own little twist to it because it's a really good flavor, but I like flavor. So, you know, and then this is the liquid sauce that come in it now. We don't like our coleslaw really wet, so I'm not even going to use all of that. Like, this is pretty much going to be it. I'm not going to use any more of that. I'm going to take my Worcestershire sauce right here, and I'm just going to throw it like that. I'm going to take the red pepper flakes, and I'm just going to toss it like that. Just a little bit of garlic powder, you guys. A little goes a long way. A little bit of onion powder. A little bit of lemon pepper. Because the sauce really doesn't have a lot of flavor in it, you guys. And then, of course, this is the garlic salt. Be a little generous with that. You guys know I love garlic. And then I'm going to get 2 spoons. One for the jalapenos because y'all already know we like it a little spicy. And I'm going to keep the juice on the spoon. I'm actually going to do 2 because usually if I would have had my jalapeno pepper, I definitely would have use the whole jalapeno pepper. This is another spoon, you guys. I'm just gonna take about this much garlic, put it in there. And then I'm going to take some of the cilantro, dip it in there about that much because you still want to put some on top of your tacos. I'm going to take a few purple onions and throw it in here as well. And also, you guys, I thought I had boiled corn. I was gonna boil some corn and put my seasoning on it that I use and make my jalapeno butter. And the way I make my jalapeno butter, you guys, I just take a room temperature stick of butter and I basically just put these in it and stir, like smush the butter up, mold it back into the stick of butter and put it in the refrigerator. And that is what we use to eat our corn on the cob. I'm gonna take some green onions and put in here. I actually put a lot of green onions in here, okay? And then I'm going to take a few limes because you can taste the lime sauce. You can taste the lime in the sauce, you guys, but you can't really taste it as much. So once I add in like the lime, it just takes it to like a whole nother level with the flavor. Like to me, the lime definitely brings out the flavor. And I actually rolled these lemons, so that's why they're kind of juicy. They're really juicy, like me. So I'm just gonna keep putting more, and then usually I let my son come in here and taste it. Y'all already know on Snapchat he be talking about it's so good. That's probably enough. I don't know how many limes with that, you guys. You don't have to cut it. I mean, you're gonna have to cut it. What the hell? You're gonna have to count it. So I'm just gonna stir this up, and I'm going to taste it, and let my son taste it, and see how it tastes. And then we're just gonna go from there, and then I'm gonna put it in the refrigerator, and then I'm gonna fry the catfish. Well, the rest of it, because it's already cooking. This looks so bomb. Like, can y'all see that? Look at that. If you put too much sauce on here, honestly, it's gonna get really soggy, and we like it to be crispy. You don't want your coleslaw to be soggy. You want it to be kind of crispy. So I think I'm about done with this. And this pretty much it, you guys. I'm going to, how I cook the tortillas, well, how I warm them. I just put them in a skillet, let it warm up on each side. I put the piece of fish down. I put this coleslaw on top with a little cilantro and green onion, and just squeeze the lemon on top with a lime. And that's pretty much it. Like I said, I thought we had boiled corn, but I'm just gonna make some corn, some whole kernel corn on the side. Yeah, so that's done. And like I said, this is how it looks. Yeah, so everyone else is eating. I'm still frying more fish, but this is how the tacos look. After the fish is done, all I did was put the fish on the tortilla, added a little cilantro, more green onion, a few pieces of the purple onion, and of course, they will put the lime, squeeze it on top. My kids actually put their corn on top of their fish tacos, you guys, but my husband eat his on the side. This is just a spicy corn I made, so that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to thumbs up for more cooking videos, you guys. Don't forget to follow me on Snapchat. Snapchat saw this first. This was Snapchat requested. Like I said, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I love you guys so much. And until next time, you guys, bye.
Baby, your picture perfect. Your smile, God made it perfect. Don't let nobody tell you different. Baby, you're so worth it. You was beautiful in every way. When I'm describing it, it's all I say.